And as those debates rage, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has sought to defend the government's spend on a newly erected statue in Hanover. Mr. Holness, who was addressing stakeholders in the parish, stressed the importance of investing in projects that promote Jamaica's culture. More in this report from Anthony Logue.
The Andrew Holness-led administration continues to face the heat from some Jamaicans over its use of public funds. At the unveiling of a life-size statue for the late Sir Alexander Bustamante on Friday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, though not pointing to a specific case, addressed concerns around what the government spends.
And we wrestle with this in our country because there is a lack of understanding in the public discourse about what the symbols of our civil bureaucracy and our civil administration means, and what the monuments of our history means.
The statue, erected in Hanover, was done with a grant from the tourism product development company TPDCO at a cost of $3 million. Mr. Holness believes it's money well spent.
There is a sense that it's a waste of money. We shouldn't do that. There are other things that $3 million could be used to do. And I am certain that all of you here and those listening on social media would agree that there are 3 million other things that $3 million could be used to do.
Prior to the Jamaica 60 celebrations, some Jamaicans expressed concern that Jamaica's culture was fading. However, culture experts have since rubbished those claims. Mr. Holness is again stressing the need to address the disconnect between some Jamaicans and the history of the country.
The irony, of course, is that the more we devalue our history, we devalue our monuments, we devalue our civil bureaucracy and our administration, it is the less likely they will perform to the standards that you want them. It is important that in these periods of uncertainty, we can have a reference point. A reference point. And Bustamante is a good reference point. Norman Manley is a good reference point. Our heroes are good reference points for periods of time in our history when we faced difficult times and we struggled and we overcame.
Anthony Logue, TVJ News.